Today, we are transforming basic greens into something extraordinary with one simple technique. While poaching with garlic-confit, this is hands down the smartest way to cook vegetables without turning on your exhaust hood. The magic starts with this golden garlic oil, my last precious jar of slow-cooked garlic cloves submerged in olive oil. Don't hold back, we are using every last spoonful. A few loops of premium soy sauce adds that umami depth before the lid goes on. Low heat works its magic for just minutes. Peek underneath, see how the leaves stay vibrantly green while absorbing all that aromatic goodness. The oil acts as both conductor and protector, cooking gently without brutalizing the delicate cells. The result crisp, tender vegetables with astonishing flavor penetration, far more character than bland, steamy, yet none of the aggressiveness of stir frying, and that leftover garlic-infused sauce at the bottom. Liquid go for drizzling over tomorrow's grains or proteins. This isn't just cooking, it's vegetable alchemy, restaurant quality results with rocky level of art, and your kitchen stays spotless. Perfect gateway drug for healthy eating.